Every day across Cardiff, a rhythm unfolds. From the hum of the streets to the bustle of local businesses, there's a symphony of work that keeps this city alive. Just like the city, the world of opera is built on many hands, many trades, and many talents coming together. The music from The Marriage of Figaro has been featured in more places than you might think. From The Shawshank Redemption to Trading Places, from Willy Wonka to Pride and Prejudice, even Zombieland and The King's Speech have woven this music into their stories. But while you might recognise the music, what you might not know is how much work goes into creating an opera, just how much collaboration it takes to bring something like The Marriage of Figaro to life. So next time you hear the music of The Marriage of Figaro in a film, remember, it's not just a piece of music, it's a tradition, a craft, and a whole world waiting to be discovered live, right here on stage.